This RE/MAX Realty Professionals property video is presented by Jim Register. Darling 3-bedroom, 2 full bath ranch home with an open floor plan is sited in a large and desirable subdivision. Enter great room from the foyer, and the space opens up with a true vaulted ceiling wired for home theater. Kitchen and dining area are adjacent. Kitchen has all stainless appliances conveniently and attractively arranged. The entire area is light and bright with a patio door to the rear of the dining area. The spacious owner's bedroom is to the right as you enter the home, and has a lovely full bath with separate updated tile shower and garden tub, double sinks, and a large walk-in closet. Across the foyer is the laundry with the upscale washer-dryer that will remain, and water heater. The split floor plan settles the other 2 bedrooms and bath off of the great room. Home also includes a brand new HVAC.